Can you spot the difference?
These are the cocoons of Antheraea mylitta. It's a species of silk moth from India, and they are farmed in large numbers, and their silk is used for many different things, for example as making clothes. It's an extremely rare species and it's very hard to get. So this is an amazing opportunity for me to show you their life cycle and document these cocoons, their moths, and hopefully even eggs and adult moths. Not many people in their lives are able to see this species, and not many are able to read it. Aren't these cocoons just amazing?